What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy DL. Today we're going to be trying this again. Today I got the cheapest Nike Tech Fleece piece. I think that was on Poshmark. I spent $8 and I tried to do this earlier. I have a video up. If you guys haven't seen it, it'll be linked in the description. Hopefully this time it goes right. Now let's get into it. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. If you guys like Nike products, now I'm going to show you guys this. This is a piece that I've never seen before. I don't know if we need scissors. And like I said, I did spend $8, which is super crazy. And then of course shipping, but $8 for a piece, especially on one that I've never seen before. It looks super clean. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side. Alright. Shipped this piece pretty nice for only selling for $8. Wow. A lot of paper. Wow. Here it is, and I can already tell you off the rip, this is looking super clean. Let me get all this out of the way. I don't want to make a mess. This right there. And here it is. It's like a quarter zip. So I have a quarter zip up on my channel. Well, my fault, I have a full zip video up on my channel. This is pretty similar, but it's different. And what I'm gonna show you guys is this. I don't really know how I feel about it, but I thought it was super interesting that it had it. I've never seen any Tech Fleece like this. The neon hood. It's got like a little lip, almost like a little ball cap right there. Just kind of weird. Never seen anything like it. Let me see from the front, what do we have? So we have a pretty big pocket. These are worn off right here. It's not all black. You can see it's gold. Inside this pocket, you have two individual pockets, or you're just gonna throw it into the big one. Just kind of cool. I'd say like your phone or something like that. You have your standard two pockets right here. Nothing crazy. Dual zipper, like almost all Tech Fleece products. Got this piece in an XL, but I will say I don't know if it's gonna fit. I normally get all my pieces in a double XL just because it fits small. There. I will get you guys a try on after I watch this, so stay tuned at the end. If you guys want to see that. Zip this back up. Nothing really to show on the inside, except that I guess it has, like, if you have wired headphones, you can weave it through. So this is probably a little bit of an older piece. Then miss it out. If you guys do like this piece, I will link the product number in the description. I will drop the product number for you guys so you guys are able to find this exact product. I do not know what this is. Like I said, I've never seen this. I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys like the hood? Would you purchase this for $8? Let me know in the comments below. I'm glad that this was actually a real Tech Fleece unlike last video. And if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it in the description. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm trying to bring you guys a bunch of different content. I'll try to get you guys more videos like this to see what I can find. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I am posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for right now, but I'm trying to up it to about 5 times a week. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay at the end if you guys want to see the try on. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm out.